Calibration for 0 Brix. Clean the glass surface of the Brix sensor thoroughly before inserting it into the liquid. The vent screw must be open while inserting the sensor. Insert the sensor into the container. Close the vent valve and position the unit so that the prism is covered with liquid. Press and hold the red button. Switch the device on using the on-off button while keeping the red button pressed. The LED will flash 4 times red and then once green. Release the red button only after the green flash. If you do not press the red button again, the device will automatically enter calibration mode for 0 Brix. The sensor confirms this by flashing green once. This confirmation is repeated 3 times. After that, the start phase begins. The LED flashes fast, alternating red and green. Press the red button once to start calibration. During calibration, the LED flashes red. The duration is approximately 5 minutes. When complete, the LED turns solid green. 0 Brix is now calibrated.